Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, we'll show you how to see who liked your playlist on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app, then go to your library and go for your playlist and you can see I have just one like. So if you go to your in this playlist, so you can just see the number of likes but you can't see the individual person. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.